here, John Hooks here, and today we're going to be talking about an application, a software called Koin, and I am in the members area of it here. Basically what Koin is about, it allows you to get $39 in Bitcoin for free every 12 hours. And we're going to come back to this area here in a moment and talk about it. I do have a couple of things to say about it, but we need to get over to my bonus page here. So beneath or next to this video on YouTube, go ahead and click on the link that says get my exclusive bonuses and Koin here. Click on that link and it'll take you to this page. And of course that link is in the description. It should be the first line, so you'll probably see it without having to open up the description. All right, and so Koin is a set and forget app. It gets us $39 in free Bitcoin every 12 hours. Okay, and a little bit more from the desk of Billy Darr, who is behind this, is, dear friend, are you losing hope in your ability to make money online thanks to the garbage constantly being thrown at you? Are you fed up of searching for the one thing that will unlock internet riches? Are you getting more desperate as time passes, to break through? If so, I have good news. Let's start with the good news. There is a way out despite your struggle. Ordinarily, folks are absolutely making a killing online, young, old, and everyone in between in 2022. So there's hope for you too. If you want to learn how, be sure to read every word of this important letter. Now the bad news. The old way of making money online is now dead for the little guy. But a new, bigger, better, and more lucrative opportunity is in town. You're only 2 steps away from living the life that you dream of. Just set and forget and laugh your way all the way to the bank. So click number 1 is to purchase, create a username and password and then log in. And click number 2 is activate. Enter your payment details and hit activate, which results in up to $39 every 12 hours for us on complete autopilot. Okay, so let's go back over to this members area here. So nothing that I found in the description, and I scrolled through the sales page, and of course there are no exact details about anything on any sales page, but okay, so this is the members area, and basically it is a import of other websites, and nowhere in here is there any training. So if you are new to cryptocurrency, there's not really any training to get you started, at least not in this JV version. Okay, and so and basically we're on the home screen now. It has what's happening with some trading, and as you see, those pink and green lines will appear, and it's an indication of this column here as far as the price, going up and down, and market share over here. Bitcoin is the largest, and then you click on this Ethereum, Ether market, XRP. Okay, so basic information that you can find almost anywhere. Currencies, DeFi, the exchanges, where you can, purchase or where cryptos are sold. There's a ton of them. ICOs or initial coin offerings from these companies also, and either a couple pages of them. News, the latest on what's happening in the crypto world, the Blockfolio, Blockfolio of your coins. I have nothing in here. Watch list if you set something to watch, and dictionary. That might be something nice if you are just getting started, but it doesn't explain how you make $39 every 12 hours. There's nothing on this page that does that. And so you have your tools, your currency converter, website widget, buy, sell instantly, crypto asset score, and Bitcoin block explorer. Okay. And so unless the actual real version is, has more detail about it, if you are fresh to it and want to, get in on this craze while it's still hot, you're kind of still behind as you were before you even heard about this. But let's go back to my bonus page here. So what is this going to cost? So the front end, for the $39 in free Bitcoin every 12 hours is going to be $17. And there may be a pop-up, $5 pop-up coupon where you can get this for $12. Okay. Now, upsell number 1 is the Unlimited Edition. It allows you to earn $50 in free Bitcoin every 6 hours, for $47. And so certainly well worth it, because on the front end, for $12, you're making $78 per day. On the upsell, you have the potential of making $200 a day. All right, so that's $122 a day more, for $47 one-time charge. So it would be a smart deal to go ahead and get the unlimited version, which there's no need to really think about that. Now, upsell number 2 is the Done For You edition. This upgrade, the teams will set up software for you to ensure that you get paid for $297. Upsell number 3, the Autopilot Edition for $39, where you'll be able to activate all of the automation features within Koin. Upsell number 4 is the Ethereum Edition for $39, and so instead of just Bitcoin, you'll also be able to mine and get paid in Ethereum. Okay, and upsell number 5 is the Franchise Edition. Basically, that's the reseller rights to sell coin, where you keep 100%, of the profits here. Now, the benefits, you mine Bitcoin and Ethereum for free, a set and forget app, a first of its kind on Warrior Plus, in demand and hot right now, experience real passive income, the easiest system ever. And so I guess once you know exactly what you are doing, it should be pretty easy. My concern is for those that are new to cryptocurrency trading and all of that, you're kind of behind the curveball. But I am hoping that once you purchase the front end, there will be tutorials and training when you click the button to access your purchase, and a lot of times that's where the training is, as opposed to on a particular software site like this, where they're not able to really integrate their tutorials and training into it. So my belief is that it is going to be in the members area of the page where you go ahead and access your Bitcoin. Now, also, there is a demo video here on my page, and this demo video, which is only a few minutes long, basically it just takes you through the information that I just went through. And let's see, my computer's a little sluggish here. I didn't refresh it. But basically, it takes you through that same, as you can see up here, it's the same dashboard that we were looking at just a moment ago. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this. But this will work for you. I've been playing it. I hadn't restarted my computer, and so it's just a little clogged up right now. Okay. All right. So let's get out of this. And so now, when you get Koin, I have some very exclusive bonuses for sure for you. Bonus number 1, being your interest, it seems to be in making money and investing. I have bonus number 1, investment secrets, the world's words of wisdom from a legendary investor. And if you recognize this likeness here, Warren Buffett. Okay, and nobody knows more about money than this guy here. And so this is an exclusive digital download edition. So it comes in the FlipBook format, and you do have the option of getting the PDF. Bonus number 2, also a digital download edition, Millionaire Mindset Secrets, the ultimate guide to attracting everything you want in life. Okay, and so I'll put these together, especially for this Koin offering here today. Now, bonus number 3, the Golden Stash, unique method of turning $10 into $250 over and over again. Bonus number 4, the monthly income system. Bonus number 5, affiliate takeover, drive sales from on-demand traffic. And bonus number 6 are the bonuses that you are going to get from Koin. And I don't have those up, but there are quite a few of them that you get. And so those have been passed on, to me, so I can pass those on to you. And you will find that in the on your purchase page. Once you go through your secure checkout, you're going to click on the green button to access your purchases. And once you click on that, that is where I think that your training and tutorials are also going to be located. And the blue button beneath that will be my bonuses that I've offered to you. Now, of course, at any time, if you haven't already, you can click any of the red banners, on my bonus page here to take you over and get your copy of Koin today. All right, and that is pretty much it. Let me ask you to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do that thumbs up and find that alert bell. Thank you much. And let me go ahead and take the time to thank you for taking your time to watch my review of Koin and my bonuses and the review of the members area there. So have yourself a great day, and as always, to your success.